The web platform you designed your strategy around 5 years ago no longer exists. And if your organization hasn't noticed yet, you're already falling behind. WebAssembly has quietly matured from an academic curiosity into something genuinely transformative. It lets browsers run code that was never meant for the web, C, Rust, high-performance applications that would have required a native app just years ago. But that's just the beginning. AI-native browsers are going further. They're abstracting away the page itself. The document-centric web, that collection of HTML pages styled for visual consumption, is no longer the organizing principle. Your organization might still be commissioning traditional websites, but your users are interacting with something entirely different. This isn't about scrapping everything and starting from scratch. It's about making deliberate architectural choices now. It's about understanding that a browser is becoming an operating system, and your web strategy needs to reflect that fundamental shift. To find out how iCentric can help your organization, visit icentricagency.com, link in the description.